First things first, appreciate your support, guys. So this is a Beko washing machine that won't power on. So we're going to troubleshoot step by step to know why is it not powering on. We had a power surge before this, so we are not hoping for the worst, but let's see. Now step by step. Now we put it on power. When you press the power button, the machine is not responding. So before you open the machine, unplug it from power. Once that is done, we look at the cable, power cable. There's a fuse there, 13 amps, so we have a look at that. So we'll take our multimeter, check for power continuity. If you can see, there's power continuity on that fuse, so meaning the fuse is okay. The fuse is okay. Now we go wire by wire. We follow the wires from the fuse main cable to the power filter. So once we check that and we see there is nothing, now we go into opening the PCB. Every time before I go to the display board, I have to check the power filter first. From the power filter, I will check. This one is the inverter board. So on the inverter board, we check for any physical damage. That's the power filter. Most of the time power filters are rarely damaged. From my experience, I've never seen a faulty power filter. So I'll jump that and go direct to the inverter board. Power comes from the cable to the power filter, the white thing that you just saw, from the power filter to the inverter board. So on this machine, after checking the power filter, the cable is okay, the fuse is okay. Now we go to the inverter board. Inverter board converts power to the main control panel. Having checked this one, everything was okay. There was no physical damage. At times there's no physical damage, but on this one, the machine is quite new. So we rule out that that is an issue that we have to deal with. Now we go direct to the power control panel. Power control panel is everything. That's why it's called the PCB. It will now translate communication from the power control panel processor to the display board. So this is the power control panel of this Beko washing machine. Intact, no physical damage. So what you need to do, just check if there is any cable that is loose. On this one here, no cable was loose, so I fixed it back. Then I realized from the control panel, the wire sending communication to the display board had been cut. I don't know what happened here, but I had to rewire it and then powered the machine, and you see there's communication already on the display board, and it was now okay. So it was a small issue. PCB not replaced, power control panel was okay, display board was okay. It was just a wiring issue. Checked everything and the machine is okay. So it's something you can do by yourself.